So yet another bizarre sporting moment grabs the attention of sports commentary this evening. The French League One game involving Paris Saint-Germain and Nantes, with PSG forward Kylian Mbappe in a breakaway. The Nantes defenders scrambling to get back. The referee was also sprinting to keep up with the play, and accidentally, some entanglement won between the referee and one of the players. The referee tumbled to the ground, and watch closely. The referee kicks out at the player. And it's not done yet. After the play stopped, the referee gave the baller a yellow card, which was his second, and out came the red card, to the amazement of everyone in the stadium. But question, what that referee yellow card the man for? Is him cut cross the man, clip him ears, and then him sprawl out like a tarpaulin? And then he kick after the man and turn run after the man off of the field. Me never seen nothing like this yet in my life. It's obvious that the referee thought the player kicked him down deliberately. In fact, he said it subsequently. Upon viewing the images of the incident, the player's action did not seem deliberate, and went on to ask that the yellow card and the resultant red card be rescinded. But again, if the referee felt the man kicked him deliberately, that should have been a straight red card. How the yellow card come in? I feel the referee lick him head when him drop. Oh yes, and it's not me alone, because the French FA has since suspended the referee indefinitely. But question though, a referee can't card himself. You know what I mean? This referee should have red card himself for violent conduct. Yes. What do you mean? Him should yes, me, come off.